Okay, friend, today I'm going to provide the NEB model question of grade 11 with its solution. You can see it here. I'm providing the model question with the solution, and the full mark is 100. So I'm providing the group A first, and group A question number 1, construct a truth table for the statement. And the given statement is P and not Q implies Q. So for first of all we have to find out the truth table of P, and after P, then the truth table of Q, that is P and Q, T T F F, true true, false false, and true false true false. It is simple. And negation of Q means not Q, that is the opposite of Q we have to write, that is if true Q is true, then the negation of Q means false, false true, true false, false true. Then and means when there is the two different values you have to write, that is true false true, true true false. In this way, false true false true, and implies means the same value true, opposite value false. So in this way we can do this. You can see it screenshot by seeing it. Then another question, in question number B we get the question from relation function and graph, and question number 1 is from set, logic, and number system. Then question number 2 is relation function and graph, x to the power ln y by x, y to the power ln z by x, z to the power ln x by y is equal to 1. We have to it. So first of all, ln y by x means according to the properties of log, ln y minus ln z we can write, and in this way by giving the simple indices rule or by adding the power we can obtain. I have done in here in the only short form, that is only hints. You have to practice. If you practice, it will be easier. Then for the test of symmetricity, so the test for symmetricity, given function is y is equal to x to the power minus 3 plus x to the power minus 1, and for symmetric function, if f minus x is equal to minus fx, then this fx is symmetric about the origin, and we have to show the simple. Then another question is cosec theta is equal to cot theta plus root 3 by solving the simple general formula, and cos theta is equal to cos pi. Then the general formula is 2n plus 1 pi by 2 by solving. I have only given some hints, and it is also, we can regard it as a marking scheme. This step gets 1, this step gets 1, so in this way it gets 2 marks. Okay, so the question number 2b, if a b c are in ap and x y z are in gp, then we have to show that x to the power b minus c, y to the power c minus a, and z to the power a minus b is equal to 1. I have done here in a simple way. You should practice and you will understand. And question number c is from matrix. Let a is equal to 1 2 3 4, b is equal to 3 1 2 4, find a b transpose. We can find a b transpose easily. And another question number 3a is Cramer's rule. First of all, we have to find the d. In d we have to write coefficient of x and coefficient of y, and we should find the determinant of it. Then in d1 the coefficient of x is replaced by the constant term, and for d2 we have to replace the coefficient of y2 by the constant term. So x1 is equal to d upon d1, and I have we have to find here x 1 by x, that is x is in denominator, so 1 by x is equal to d1 upon d. In this way x y can be found. So in question number 3b we get the question from the complex number. हामीले complex number बाट question पाउँछौं, and in the given question is express the complex number 1 minus root 3i into polar form. First of all हामीले polar form मा लानको लागि यसलाई कम्पेयर गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ r cos theta plus i sin theta मा. त्यो गर्नको लागि हामीले cos theta र sin theta पत्ता लगाउनु पर्छ, यानी कि थीटा पत्ता लगायौं भने अनि r पत्ता लगाउनलाई कोफिसिएन्ट अफ रुट ओभर कोफिसिएन्ट अफ x स्क्वायर प्लस कोफिसिएन्ट अफ y स्क्वायर गरेर पत्ता लगाउन पर्छ. मैले चाहिँ यहाँ सिधै नै लेखिदिएको छु r cos theta is equal to 1. अन्ली हिन्ट्स टाइप हो यो. And question number 3 को see if the difference of roots of the equation this is unity, so that the p square plus 1 p square is equal to 1 plus 4q. And we know that sum of root difference product of root, by the definition we can write minus p q, and for difference of root is given, so we have to find the sum of root, and by solving the equation we can get easily. Only I have done in short type. And question number 4a, you can read the question and see the answer easily. I have done in very simple or short way, like सो तपाईँहरूले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यो मार्किङ स्किम टाइपको रूपमा गरिदिएको छु. यति गऱ्यो भने 1 नम्बर, यति गऱ्यो भने 1 नम्बर. द्याट्स वाइ it is in rough type. You can easily understand. The question is very easy. And question number B, if one end of the diameter of the circle, हामीले कक्षा 10 मा नै गरिसकेका हौं, यो एउटा इन्ड डायमिटरको एउटा इन्ड र सेन्टर पत्ता लाग्छ, सेन्टर यो इक्वेसनबाट पत्ता लाग्छ, अर्को इन्ड चाहिँ हामीले मिड पोइन्ट फर्मुलाबाट निकाल्न सक्छौं. देन क्वेसन नम्बर सी, यु क्यान सी द क्वेसन. Limit x tends to infinity root over x plus 1 minus root x. You can try this question by pausing the video. The solution is in the next part. Okay, so solution of the previous question, question number 4c. The question of limit is given here. It's easy, you can see this way. Find the derivative of e root over sin x. Easy question, तपाईहरुले हेरेर पनि बुझ्न सक्नुहुन्छ. So that the function y is equal to x cube has neither maximum nor minima. हामीले maximum र minimum भ्यालुको लागि फर्स्ट अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ 0 हुनुपर्छ र त्योबाट x को भ्यालु सल्भ गरेर हामी सेकेन्ड डेरिभेटिभमा राख्दाखेरि हाईएस्ट ग्रेटर देन 0 भयो भने मिनिमम भ्यालु हुन्छ, लेस देन 0 भयो भने म्याक्सिमम भ्यालु हुन्छ. तर f डैश x इज इक्वल टु 0 राखेर सल्भ गर्दाखेरि कुनै पनि भ्यालु अथवा इजिली फ्याक्टराइज हुन सकेन भने यसको नाइदर मिनिमम नर म्याक्सिमम भ्यालु हुन्छ. मिनिमम भ्यालु पनि हुँदैन, म्याक्सिमम भ्यालु पनि हुँदैन. And question number 5c, we get the question number 5c from integration, 5b from application of derivative, 5a from derivative, b application of derivative, and c integration. Integration sec square root x upon root x dx. Root x we have to put the root x is equal to u. By solving this, it is easy, you can see.